Okay, kids, 10 more seconds. So here, white to play. Countdown has finished. Okay, so let's go one by one, kids. Okay, let me first go to Rishika. Yes, Rishika. White to play.
Yes, sir. So maybe if the queen can move to QF2 because the rook cannot capture it because the rook is pinned.
Queen to F2. Okay, you are right. Rook cannot capture the queen. Okay.
So maybe if the black doesn't understand the plan, black will
Hold on. Let me think what I will do from black side. Okay, and then you can play.
Okay.
Okay, I played this.
So you can capture the rook with the knight.
Okay.
Then the other rook will capture. And then the queen will capture the rook and give a check.
What you benefited out of this, Rishika?
I thought the queen has not captured it. I didn't notice that queen.
Okay, kids. So this is what Rishika suggested. Okay, sorry. Rishika suggested to bring the queen here. Okay, black played this. Understanding that because there is additional attack. Okay, there is already one attack, second attack, and the third attack coming in. Okay, so if you capture, I'm going to capture back. If you capture, I'm going to. Sorry, what happened? You captured, I captured, you captured, I captured, you captured, I captured. Okay, so there is no worry for the black. That is what I calculated. Okay, by the way, kids, this is called as calculation. Okay, when you do the exchange in your mind, okay, you are doing everything in mind. Now, although I am showing you with arrows, but you can think like that. Okay, the queen comes here. If I might bring my queen to h5, I can support to my rook at f7. Okay, so if he captures, my rook will capture back. If he captures with the knight, I will capture with my queen. If he captures with the queen, I will capture back with my king. So no loss. Okay, although I'm losing my rooks. Okay, but that is the additional one already I have, right? So this is called as the calculation. You should be able to do that, but this is not the correct solution, which we already saw this. Okay, Rishika. So let us see if anyone else has any better solution. Okay, let me take Rishika's hand down. Okay, let's go to Prathamesh.
Something else.
Prathamesh.
Sir, first we will capture the rook of f7 with our bishop.
Okay.
Then if he captures with the rook.
Yeah, I have no choice but to capture, right? So I will capture with the rook.
Then first I will sacrifice my queen and give it on h8. Back give.
Okay, so you are sacrificing the queen. Very good.
Now, then we will give a knight fork by capturing the f7 rook.
Knight fork. Very good. Okay, now you have the additional knight with you. That is the benefit that you are getting. Okay, you are
also was the same.
Yeah, you are little bit correct. Okay, can we change some moves here? Okay, so
yes, sir, I was thinking about that.
Okay, so instead of making this afterwards, why don't you do it early? Captured, you have no choice. Okay, black has no choice but to capture, right? Correct, Prathamesh?
Yes, yes, sir.
After this, you can directly give this sorry, not before this actually. Okay, captured. He captures back. Now you do the sacrifice. He captures back. Okay, this is the correct one, kids. Yeah, this is the knight fork, and you are getting additional knight. Okay. Now you can win this game. Even if he comes, you can now, because you are materially ahead. Okay, you can exchange, for example, right? Now with the help of your one knight and the other pawns, you can promote and you can win this game. Okay, want to see how to do this, kids?
Yes, sir. Yes.
We will do that, but before that, is the solution understood by everybody? What we
Yes,
did,
sir.
we first captured this.
I have
When
a
he
doubt.
captures back, we are sacrificing the queen first. Okay, when he
That was,
captures,
I was thinking that I need to sacrifice my queen. That's
yes. Okay, this is the knight fork. Okay, now why to sacrifice? What happens if you do not sacrifice and directly capture? What will happen? You will end up with the equal position. Correct? Understood? So the additional knight that you had, because of this sacrifice, you will not have otherwise, right? So now you are saving on your knight. Correct? So this is the additional benefit you get because of the sacrifice.
But queen has more than knight, right? Queen has more than knight.
Sorry, come again, Rishika.
But the queen has more points than knight.
Yeah, but I am using the word additional knight. Okay. When you say that queen is having more points than knight, you are correct. That queen is having more value. But in that case, your opponent is also having queen, right? So that nullifies. You have 9 points, your opponent also has 9 points, so it becomes 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And that's the reason what we did, we sacrificed the queen. After he captures, we captured the rook, which he has the additional one. Extra rook jo unke paas tha, we captured and then we delivered the check. And now the queen which we gave free, we are going to get it back by capturing black's queen. Correct? Understood, Rishika?
But I have a small doubt.
Yes, Prathamesh.
Sir, when the bishop captured the rook in the starting,
Yes.
what if he doesn't capture with the rook and tries to escape with the king by f8, going to f8, the king?
In that case, it is very good for white, right?
Sir, I
White,
do not get how.
white already have now, see, 9 points, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and black has 5 plus 3, 8 only. Correct? So you are anyways getting benefited. You are getting chance to save your bishop. You will take it back. Okay. And then afterwards you start attacking. Correct.
Okay.
We will see this position as well. Okay. Prathamesh, good question, by the way. What if he doesn't? Okay. But then the benefit that you already got, the 5 points which he had extra, you already captured, and now your opponent denies. Opponent says, no, I do not want to capture. You still go ahead and give the check. He will come here, right? In that case, what you can do, maybe you can again give check by bringing here, or what else you can do actually. This knight is not having support, okay? So maybe what you can do, you can give the support from here, the check as well as support, right? Check comes, also support comes. He will come here, and now
But sir, why will
check.
sir 1 minute? Can you go back? Yeah. Why will he capture? Why is he not capturing with the queen? Queen.
Which
Oh, no.
the queen?
I understand. Okay, I understand.
Okay. If he comes here, I will give check again. Okay, here he cannot come. Okay, it has no choice but to come here, and this is a again check. Again it will come here, right? Again check. Can I give check from here? Or else, what else can I do?
Check from by bringing the queen to c6.
Sir, it will be a checkmate by on
Check.
b8.
c6.
Sorry?
Move to
Where?
C.
Sir,
Sir,
when in the move only when we will go on a b8 the queen, then it will be checkmate because the pawn is supporting the c6 square.
when
The next move when the king comes on b. Now we could go on b8 and it will be checkmate.
Now the rook will come in between, right?
Oh yeah.
Either the rook will come or the knight will come.
c6.
Okay, kids, one. Vidhi, yes, Vidhi.
Can you bring the queen at c8?
Okay.
The queen can play c6 and it would be a checkmate.
C6 will be captured, right?
No, I mean
The king will capture it, right?
the pawn c6. No, sir. He is saying over there. Yeah, where Sandy
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. If you bring it here,
Knight
the
will capture.
knight will capture, right?
Okay. But Rishika and Lord Advocate was saying that.
Anyway, so in short, Prathamesh, you got your answer, right? The black will still be in trouble because of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
So now coming to the situation where you captured, it captured, you sacrifice, it captured, and you did the knight fork. Okay. Now from here onwards, let us see, kids, how the game went. Okay. Now, first of all, what I will do is black to play now, right? So suppose black captures the pawn, I will capture the pawn, or else I will capture with the knight. Okay, because I am ready to exchange now. Suppose if you capture, it is good for me. Okay, so ideally black should not. Okay, black should not. Now what black will do? Probably black will go back, supporting the pawn.
But sir, when black will go back, it will be very good for you, na? Because you can save your knight.
Yeah, but at the same time, I will start pushing my pawn as well. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
can he capture? No, he cannot.
No,
Because
sir.
we have support. Okay, so maybe what black will do, black will start pushing his king.
He will just check.
Why to give check actually?
Capture the pawn. Sir,
You can capture the pawn, yes.
Sir,
Okay.
but why are we not just promoting?
You cannot actually, the king will immediately come and capture, right?
No, sir. One step back, one move back. Yes, sir. So why are we not promoting our pawn?
It is immediately going to get captured, right, Rishika? Who is going to help you? If you promote it, this will get captured, right?
Yes, sir.
So always have patience, kids. Okay, when you are about to promote the pawn, okay, always make sure that you are bringing enough support. For example, like this. Okay, you already have one support, so I have guarantee that the knight will not capture because my knight is supporting. Okay, and before pushing this pawn here, I need to make sure that I need to bring additional support. Okay, maybe what I can do, I can push this, and when he comes here, I will again give support. Okay, but then I need to have that plan with me. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to save your promoting pawn. Okay, and another important thing is, if I capture this pawn, black will not get hurted too much because it is in the home square. Okay, but suppose this pawn coming from the second rank after fighting with all the battles, okay, he came to the 7th rank. and now he is going to get promoted to the queen, okay, or the rook, the higher rank, right? You worked hard throughout the year, okay, in your projects or in your school, okay, you did all well in your exams, and about when you are about to get promoted, at that point of time, if somebody comes and captures, okay, or say for example your final exam is there and you get sick or ill because of some viral attack, right? You will feel bad, right? Because you could not give the exam, right? So is the case with this pawn. It is about to get promoted and somebody comes and immediately captures, either after promotion or before promotion itself. You will really get hurted, right? So that's the reason you have to make sure that if somebody is getting promoted, you need to give the support to that individual, so that someone else if comes and attacks, okay, you should not allow them to attack. Okay, this is applicable in the real life as well. When some kids start doing good, okay, say for example, all of you now learning chess.
Yes.
Okay, but when you start participating in the tournament and I can see that somebody is doing good in, say, he or she got selected in district selection, state selection, okay, now immediately what I will start doing, I will start paying attention to that particular individual more. Why? Because I want to promote that kid, correct? So is the case in your school as well. It happens, right? Any kid who is talented, most of the times any new opportunity comes. For example, there is a essay competition or there is a speech competition. Are your teachers going to go to all the 40 or 50 students, or they will go to only those 2-3 students who are good at it?
Only go to the 2-3 students which are good at,
right? Which are the handpicked, because they have already understood their talent, right? So is the case, although I have 4-5 pawns here, 3-4 pawns, right? But because now I see that the pawn is getting promoted, now becomes part of my duty that the king will tell to both these knights, make sure that you are giving enough support to the pawn which is getting promoted. Okay, so is the case in your school, the principal will tell to the teachers that make sure that we have that Rishika Tauri, you know, she is very talented, or we have Janvi, who is very good at, say, so and so thing. We have Sanvi, we have Kavya, right? So this is the way your school teachers, principals, they must be identifying you guys, right? So, and so is the case with your parents as well. Suppose there are more than 2 kids in house. If one kid is doing better, obviously parents will pay more attention to that particular kid. Does that mean they will not pay attention to the other kid? They will, but the priority definitely comes to the one which is already doing good in some area. Okay, it is a natural process. Okay, and that is how actually you need to. If you do not provide support to the one which is getting promoted, after that you may have to, you know, think back and then, oh, alas, I could have, otherwise I must not have lost. Okay, now in this case, lost means doesn't mean lost in our actual day-to-day life. Okay, but at least you are losing good opportunities. Okay, suppose there is a chess tournament, okay, inter school chess tournament, for example. Now we already know that all of you coming for chess, okay, you learn so many things every weekend, right? So obviously compared to the other kids from your class, you're obviously better. I can give it to you in written. Compared to the other kids who are not learning and not practicing regularly, you are obviously going to get better than them. You are obviously going to perform better than them. But if your parents doesn't take you to that competition, are you going to prove your caliber over there? No. In short, you are losing the opportunity, right? So that is the case here. So what we need to do, we need to provide the support. Okay. Now, if he comes here, do I need to worry? No, I already have the support. I will go ahead and capture. Okay. Now it's black to play, right? Suppose black played this, I'll capture this. Black plays this. Okay. Again, I will come back. Maybe what I will do, I will not give freeze free. I will bring my king for support. Okay. This is my
Sir, we can move the knight to f6. If he captures, then we will. No, sorry, sir.
there is still, right? I thought
Yeah,
of
sir, I thought that knight will.
correct. Okay. So what you need to do now, you need to bring the king. Okay. So in short, kids, when two teachers are not sufficient to support to that child, your principal personally comes and tries to help. You must have seen in your schools as well, right? Or your
Yes.
parents, when they are not able to support, your grandparents come forward and they start supporting you guys, right? You must have seen in your house, right? These are the day-to-day activities, kids. Okay. When your elder sister, she first tries to help you. If she's not able to, your mom will try to. If your mom is not able to, your dad will. Okay, what he will do? He will put the leave request in the office and he will come and accompany you, right? And even after that, it is not possible. He is not able to come. Important delivery of the project in the office. Okay, he will ask his parents, can you please accompany Jannavi? Okay, so Jannavi's grandparents will say, yeah, why not? Let me go with her, right? For example, it happens, right, kids? So this is the way we will take it further. Yeah. Now, next, suppose he pushes the pawn. I'll come. Can he give check? He can give check from here actually. No worries. I will come. What else he can do? He will come. Okay. What he will do now? Can he push? Yes, he can push, but then we can capture. Push, capture. Okay. So now we have the other passed pawn. We are going to promote this. So on how many fronts this black will defend? Okay. What we will say to black? Okay, you safeguard this pawn. Let me push my pawn, other pawn now. Okay. Now suppose the black comes here. I will start pushing. Can the black come? No, because our king is now protecting. Okay. So suppose black comes here. I will push. Black will give check. No worries. Black will capture. Let him capture. No issues. I will push. Can the king come here? Now can he stop the promotion? He cannot come here
No.
because there is a check. Okay. He has no choice but to run away now. He will start running. I will block the line. Or in fact, I will block the line here itself. Okay. This is blocked. Only one choice comes here. Now you need to be careful, kids. Okay. Check. Can he come here or here? Okay. Only two choices. He comes here. You need to be careful, kids. Otherwise, it is going to be a stalemate.
You can you bring the queen back to f6? You can the king to g8. Yeah.
G8, right?
Yes. And the queen can go to f8 and checkmate.
F8.
The knight will be captured.
F8 is not checkmate, right? You will lose your knight, correct?
Oh, wait.
Okay, so if he comes here, what you need to do, just play the waiting move. For example, like this. He will play here, no worries. Just come here. Wherever he has no choice, right? So just check, come back, checkmate. Okay. So you see, kids, how we promoted with the pawn with the help of our one knight. Okay, one extra knight that we had. Okay. So the solution was like this. We sacrificed the queen, did the knight fork. When it came here, this additional knight that we had, right? I shown you the additional knight that we had played the vital and important role in your game. Correct? Any questions, kids?
No, sir. Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Janvi.
I was playing some games today.
Mhm.
There are some players just resigned because
Right.
I captured their queen.
Yeah, that is the habit of many players actually, but that is not good habit. Okay. As I told you earlier as well, even if you lose your important piece like a queen or the rook or any major piece, okay, there are still chances for you to fight back and try to draw the match. Okay. Now here as well, okay, towards the last, right, there was opportunity for black to stalemate himself, right? And that is what we need to be careful. That's the reason I said in the end, be careful, otherwise the black may get stalemated. If it gets stalemated, is it of any use? You are taking the so much efforts to think, sacrifice the queen, take the additional knight by giving the queen, right? And then if after that, if you cannot convert that into a victory, that will be really bad, right? So you had the opportunity, you worked hard, but you could not convert it into a victory. Is not good. Okay, so you need to try your best. I'm not saying that every game you must win. Okay, that is bad attitude, kids. Okay, but trying for the success is not bad, right? I'm not saying that every time you must succeed. It's not like that. Okay, by following all the proper rules, by following all the proper guidelines, by doing your hard work, smart work, whatever it is, but no cheating at all. Okay, instead of that, when I make a statement by hook or crook you need to win, okay, this is a bad statement. What it means by hook or crook, या तो आप ईमानदारी से जीतो या फिर गद्दारी करके जीतो. Is it that what I am teaching to you kids? No. The very first thing that we learn in chess, the way, hold on Rishika, 1 minute beta. Okay, the very important thing that we learn in chess is the truthfulness. Okay, very first session I took, at that point of time only I told you, the chess is a rule based game. There are rules that you need to follow. Okay, and that is what is applicable in our real life as well. Our life is also a rule based life. There are rules of the country, rules of the society, rules of your family, right? And on top of it, your own rules. Okay, what those rules are? Nothing but the ethics, good ethics that we follow, right? I never lie, for example. Good feeling, right? If you are able to confidently make this statement, it gives you good feeling, right? I never lie, right? For example, I follow all the rules. Okay, I stick to the deadlines which I committed for example, right? So these are the good feelings, and that makes you the good person. Okay, and that is our ultimate objective. My ultimate objective is not to make you the great grandmasters. Okay, my ultimate objective is to first build a strong foundation for you in chess, and simultaneously build strong foundation for you as kids. Your overall development is my ultimate objective, kids. Okay, I am not here to make the grandmasters. Okay, on top of it, if I get any of my students becoming grandmaster, that will be the bonus for me. Okay, yes Rishika, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. That Veloji, something you were saying in Hindi, I didn't understand what you were saying.
Related to what? The rules that we need to follow?
No, that whatever you said in Hindi.
Okay. Okay, I made a statement that you should not try to win by hook or crook. Okay, hook or crook का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Either you follow the rules and try to win, and if you are not able to follow the rules, break the rules and win. Okay, that is what I tried to say. Okay, but that is not what I am teaching to you kids. Okay, I always say that follow the rules. Okay, try your best. Try to apply all the tactics that you learned. Okay, and then try to win the game. But have I ever said that do the cheating and win the game? No, nobody will say
No.
that. No coach will, no teacher will, no parents will. Okay, and on top of it, if at all, okay, I'm not saying your parents are like that. Okay, but on top of it, if at all your parents are saying that by hook or crook you need to do this, okay, you can tell them honestly, this is not what my coach is teaching me. Okay, this is not my teachers are teaching me. Okay, so you can ask actually why do we need to break the rules? Okay, if I can, maybe what will happen, couple of times you will lose the match. Okay, couple of times you will lose your first position, but then after that we already saw you need to write the game, you need to analyze the game, learn from our own mistakes. Okay, next time definitely that is going to help you win the tournament because you are prepared now, right? Okay, kids, so that's the time actually for us to stop here. Okay, very important learning, kids, here, the sacrifice and the night folk kind of, right? So we will stop here for today, kids. Okay, we will continue with the next in the next session with the next study. Very nice study here. If any question, feel free to write back to me. I will be happy to answer, kids. Okay, so bye, kids. We will stop here for today.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.